Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your babe Asangwa baby. Asangwa baby. Hello, welcome on board. This video is a highly requested makeup tutorial by one of my subscribers. So today I'm going to share with you guys detail by details how I achieve this makeup look. Okay. Simple and more like a natural. Yeah, I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera because I don't want this video to be too long. Then I'll come back, then we go on the eyeshadow. All right, because everyone has their own ways of doing their eyebrows. But if you want me to do an eyebrows tutorial, why not? I'm always at your service. All right, guys. So comment on the info section if you want me to do eyebrows tutorial. Okay, guys. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows. I did it off camera. My MAC 24-hour extended base eyeshadow primer. I'm going to apply it on my eyelid. This is going to make the eyeshadow last a long time. So I'm going to set it with this translucent powder. This one is called Technique Soft Focus. I will use this MAC 224S. Whenever I'm using any powder, I always tap the excess from it. So like this one, I'll just tap the excess. Then I'm going to pat it on my eyelid. I'll use the same because I still have more there. Then I'll pat it, then I'll brush it out. So with this technique, you're guaranteed that your eyeshadow is going to last up to 24 hours or more than, depending on the weather. So I'm going to use this palette because this is the palette I used when I did the eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this Canva here as my transitioning shade. So then I'll use my MAC 217 to apply it. Always remember to tap the excess of it. So I'm going to pat it all over my eyelid. Then I'll blend it. I'll do the same on this side. I'm going to use this one here. It's called Love That. So I'm going to use the same 217 brush to apply it. So I'm going to pat it all over my lid, like here, at the outer of my lid. This is a very simple eyeshadow look. So trying to make it like a beginner friendly. So I'm going to bring it this side. So I'm going to use this MAC 239 brush. I'm going to use this color, it's called Skip. And I'm going to use it to pack it on here. So I'm going to apply more Love That. Especially, I'm going to put more on the edge here, on the outer here, to like focus more on here to make it more dark. So then I'm going to blend. So I'm going to use this my 224 brush to blend the edges, just to soften it. So I'm going to use this my cotton pad to wipe. So because I want to use it to apply another shadow. So I'm going to use this called Punch Me to diffuse the edges all over here. So this is going to give it like more subtle and more of a natural look. I'm going to take a little bit of a Skip, then I'll apply it a little bit here to give it more color. At this stage, if you want to apply any glitters on your eyeshadow, you can, but because it's a highly requested makeup look, I just want to do it as I did it on my previous video. Because I feel like applying some glitters on it to like make it pop more. So I'm trying to use, everything I'm going to use on this makeup is from one palette. I'm going to apply this one here. Here is called Wig. I'm going to apply it on my tear dot. I'm going to apply a little bit of Skip here. Just pat it. I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm going to use Punch Me to diffuse it, diffuse the edges. So this is the Punch Me here, this brown here. Diffuse the edges to give it like more soft and subtle. Yeah. I will use my Sarah water to clean any fallout on my face. Then I'll apply my toner and my serum. Vitamin C moisturizer. Apply my SPF. I will use MAC Pep and Prime Natural Radiance Primer all over my face. Then I will use Makeup Forever Mattifying Primer on my T-zone area. I will use my Mary Kay Time Wise Luminous Liquid Foundation. So I'm going to always apply here. Yeah, you can apply more if needed. I like to dab, dab, dab. I like doing it like this. Then I will do in a circular motion. So this will give me more natural finish. And don't forget around your neck. So you can build it up if you want like a full coverage. But this foundation is not like it's not a full coverage. Let me show. Normal to dry skin, buildable coverage, suitable for sensitive skin, oil free. It just blends into my skin. So this one is in color bronze 5. That's what I'm using. So you cannot see the difference. The difference is not that much. So see, without foundation, this side, with foundation. Can you see? The difference is not much. So I'm going to cover the whole of the face. I'll be using it to like blend it more. So this is going to take any remaining makeup and make it look more natural. So I will use my Peach Luster Pep and Prime by MAC to cover any dark circles under my eyes. So I'm going to wind it. I'm going to use just here. Then I'll allow it to dry a little bit before I blend it. Use my 190 first to pat it before blending. And you can use Peach Luster as a highlighter as well. It's like 2-in-1 blend. I will use my NARS concealer in Amande under my eyes to brighten up my eye area. Whatever is left on there, that's what I'm going to apply here. Yeah, on here. While I'm waiting for this one, my concealer to get a little bit dry, like a little bit tacky, in that case, it's going to last. Yeah. Then I will do my contour. So I'm going to use this Pseudo Fix Fluid Concealer in NW45. I will use it to contour around my face, my forehead. Then I'll bring it down my nose. Started to apply on my mouth. Yeah. So I'm going to blend my concealer now. I'm going to dab, dab, dab. So I'm going to bring it around here. Give that, like, bring it across the eyes, across the eyeshadow eye like this, yeah? To give that place more defined. So I'm going to blend my contour now. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to set my under eye before I blend these two. I'm going to use this brush and this Pep and Prime Soft Yellow. So I'm going to tap the excess. So I'm going to use my sponge. Yeah, this is a beauty blender sponge. So I'm going to use it. I always like tap the excess on my hand. Then I'll blend this. I'm going to use my wedge. So I'm going to dust my highlighter because I don't want it to be too tacky, like too dry. So I'm going to pat because I don't want to disturb it. Then I'll drag it up here. So I'm going to contour with NW55 Studio Fix Red Powder, powder foundation. Tap the excess. I'm going to like on my forehead. I'll contour my nose. Yeah. So I'm going to use Love That under my eyes. I will use ring light. I will use it on my brow bone. I'm going to set my whole face with Mary Kay powder bronze one. So I'm going to use this my 150 brush, a fluffy brush, put it on my face. It's going to bring my highlighter down. So I'll use this my 165, my contour brush, but there's nothing on it, just to. So I'll use the real eyeliner to line my eye. This one is a waterproof and it lasts for 24 hours. So this one is like slim. So I'm going to use it. I like to do like small stroke. Then I fill this part up. So I'm going to use my resin brush by MAC. I want it more natural because already my eyes is already popping. So I don't want my brush to be more like a more bold. So I want this, because it's natural, to bring everything down. This resin brush is good for all skin type. So I'm going to use my favorite highlighter by MAC, Gold Deposit, on my face. You can put on your temple, you can put on your forehead, yeah, but I'm not putting too much, just a little bit. So I'm going to put around my nose. I normally use my hands, so I'm going to use this, my brush. This brush is everything, so I'm going to use it to diffuse, yeah, the nose. Oh. Just make sure everything is blend well. So I'm going to use this mist. It's called by Becca. It's called Skin Love Broad Shed Primer and Set Mist. So I'm going to use it all over my face. So I'll use it to set my whole face. So I'm going to set my eyebrows. Yeah, I like to do this step last. Then I'm going to curl my eyelash. So I'm going to use one of these eyelash. I'm going to apply my mascara. I'm going to apply my Duo Adhesive Eyelash Glue. So I'll use my mascara so they blend with my natural lash. So I'll apply my Engrave. Yeah, it's a waterproof eye pencil. I'm going to remove the wet lips on my lips first. I'll apply lip primer. This is going to make it last. I'll add a little gold deposit on my tear dot. Yeah, just to bring it more shine. So I'm going to use chestnut to line my lips, because I want it to be like ombre effect. So I'm going to do it like together. I'm going to use my lip brush by, I can't remember what brand is it. I have it for a long time now. So I'm going to use it to blend here so that it will look soft. It doesn't look like more harsh. So I'm going to apply my Honey Love lipstick. It's a matte finish by MAC. So I'm going to apply it on the center of my mouth. So I'm going to apply my lip gloss. This is children's lip gloss, so if I don't mind. I bought it from Home Bargain. I'm going to put, yeah. I'm going to do this trick again. I'm going to use this to clean anything. I don't have anything, just like whatever left from the previous one. So guys, this is the final result. Yeah, So look at the eyes. So this makeup look is a highly requested video. So everything is like snatched, flawless, simple makeup look, more natural, you know. So what do you guys think? This makeup is the bomb.com. It's going to last me 24 hours or more than. Sometimes when I want to take my makeup, the more it gets older, like when I do my makeup, it doesn't glow, but as time goes on, maybe as it comes like 4 hours, 8 hours, the makeup will start glowing. Sometimes I don't feel like taking my makeup off. So guys, if you like this, my hair is a ponytail. It's 30 inches. Yeah. So if you love it, I have a video for it. I'm going to link the video up here so you can check it out. Okay. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this makeup look, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media and don't forget to turn on your notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and comment, share, and see you on my next video. It's your babe, Asama. My love. Okay guys, see ya.